Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm reviewing the entire Get Lit collection by the Quick Flick. If you watch my channel, you know how much I love the Quick Flick eyeliners. They recently came out with a whole range of different colors in their to the point eyeliner stamps. Now they do normally come in different sizes, but this Get Lit collection is all completely the to the point liners and they are absolutely beautiful. I'm going to swatch them for you guys and show you how they look. Unfortunately, my box did arrive damaged in the mail. However, I do love that the Quick Flick created a nice box for this collection to keep all the eyeliners nicely organized. Each individual box comes with a set of duo eyeliners that correspond to the right and left eye. One side is a felt tip liner and the other side is the winged stamp. The first color in the collection is this beautiful orange color called Hot Summer. The formula to these eyeliners are very long wearing and waterproof. I have been using the Quick Flick eyeliners now for about 2 years and I have to say I use no other liner. The next color in the collection is this gorgeous red shade in Cherry Bomb. I love how vibrant this color is and yet still remains to be very wearable. It's really so easy to create a winged line with these eyeliners. Next we have this pink liner in Pink Wink. Whoever created the names to these shades is seriously a genius. This one is definitely one of my favorite shades. Such a beautiful pink shade. It would go really well with a light pink eyeshadow like I'm wearing here. The collection also includes a beautiful purple shade called Purple Rain. I know I definitely will be wearing this shade quite often. Finally, we have this amazing blue shade called Evil Eye. This color would look great with a casual jeans outfit. These eyeliner stamps are absolutely gorgeous. I honestly did not think that they would be so wearable, but each and every single one of these colors is definitely something that you can totally wear, especially during the summer, depending on what color you wear in the outfit. Just go ahead and choose the color that is wearable for you. They are so easy to apply. They're completely budge proof. Just make sure you prime your eyelids and you're good to go. These things do not budge throughout the entire day. I absolutely love that they came out with all of these different colors. You can purchase this collection on the quickflick.com.au. They do sell this entire collection as it is, but they also sell them individually so that you can pick and choose whichever color works for you. I do love all of these colors, but probably if I had to choose the colors that are my favorites, I would have to choose this pink one and this purple shade. Really love these colors. Something else that I ordered is the Quick Flick eraser pen. This is so cool and it definitely helped me out today while swatching these and applying these colors on. Now what this pen is, it contains micellar water and it just basically removes your eyeliners. I'm just gonna go ahead and remove this so you can see it really is an easy way to go ahead and remove your eyeliner because these eyeliners are very difficult to remove. But using something like this, especially if you have like an accident, it's so easy to kind of remove it and get that sharp point the way you want it. Another way that you can apply these is you can actually use kind of the black to the point eyeliner stamp, and then above it kind of add whichever color you want. I feel like it would give such a gorgeous contrast, and if you don't like wearing just these colors on their own, but you still want to have that little bit of a color to your eyelids, that is definitely a way and a different way that you can apply these eyeliners. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I really recommend that you purchase this collection, or even a couple of colors of this collection, or even a quick flick eyeliner as a whole. It definitely will make your life so much easier. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and hit that like button. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you next week.